In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a matter to a calendar event in Clio Manage. Starting from Clio Manage, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Calendar. This opens the area where you can create new events or update ones that are already on your schedule. From here, choose how you want to work with the event. If you are creating a new one, click New Event. If the event already exists, click that event on the calendar and then select Edit. Either option brings you to the calendar event form where the matter can be linked. Once the form is open, enter the event details if this is a new event, or review them if you are editing an existing one. Pay attention to the event name, the date, the start time, and the end time. These are the main scheduling details, so this is a good point to confirm that the event itself is set up correctly before you attach it to a matter. Next, locate the matter field in the event form. This is the field used to connect the calendar event to a specific matter in Clio Manage. Click into the matter field, then search for the matter you want to associate with the event. As you type, matching results should appear. When the search results are shown, select the correct matter from the list. Make sure you choose the right one before moving on, especially if more than one matter has a similar name. After you select it, confirm that the chosen matter now appears in the matter field. That confirms the event is pointing to the matter you intended. With the matter in place, complete any remaining event information that still needs attention. Depending on the event, that can include the calendar it belongs to, the location, any attendees, a description, or reminders. If those fields are already filled in, just review them and continue. When everything looks correct, click Save Event. This saves the calendar event with the matter attached. After saving, return to the calendar view if needed, and open the event again to verify the result. Check that the correct matter is associated with the event and appears as expected in the event details. This last check is useful when you are updating an existing event or working quickly across several calendar entries, because it confirms that the event was saved with the intended matter and not left unassigned. Thanks for watching. Your calendar event is now saved in Clio Manage with the correct matter associated to it.